Hi guys, most of them get answer 1 for this problem. It is wrong. Let's see. This is 3 plus 4 is 7. Here 21 divided by 3 times this 7. Now this is 3 times 7 is 21. Now this 21 divided by 21 is 1. This is wrong. As per the order of operation, PEMDAS, this division and multiplications are equal priority. In final, addition and subtractions are equal priority. Now we have to follow this left to right. Now we have to do this bracket first as per this order of operations PEMDAS. Now 21 divided by 3 times this is 7. Now division and multiplications of equal priority. We have to do the left to right order. So left to right is 21 divided by 3. Here 7 times this 7. So 7 times 7 is 49. This is the correct answer. So 49 is the answer.